Hello everybody, my name is Kevin from KL Japanese Coin. Today I introduce you this is a hammer jack. Normal time when we dig a pond or we break the concrete, we need to go to the place to rent the hammer jack. It's cost me around 200 something to 300, okay? And this one we just bought, they just delivered for me the new one. This is a new one, okay? It's cost me around 2,300. If you do a lot, I recommend you need to buy a new one. It's good for you, okay? How they come? They come this one, okay? This the hammer jack. In the back, they have few tip like this, okay? This and two of this one, okay? That's include the hammer jack. This boss, okay? The model is 3611 COA012. This about 2,300 around that, include tax, okay? This in right here, and beside this, I buy extra. This is a unit bar, you need to pay extra. I think this one cost you about 70 bucks. One of this. I bought two and this one. Okay. Then I can show you. We will test is how to work because one of my customers, he recommend me, he say, he use more than 10 years, no problem. Okay. Let me move the camera a little bit closer. Then you can see it. Okay. I move a little bit closer for you to see it. Right here. Okay. This is the brand, okay? This is the model. The model is right here, okay? If somebody need it, yeah, just go on Amazon. I buy this one from Amazon. This is a new one. And let me see, where do they make, okay? They make in Germany, not from China, okay? This from Germany, not from China, okay? In the back, you can put 4 total. Right here, and we'll put together. And beside that, you need the glove, glass to protect your eye, your nose, and your ear. Okay, let me put together, and we need to test. All right, you guys ready? Okay, let me try it. Make sure it's work. Okay, if good, then I introduce you guys. If not, this video will not come out on the YouTube. Okay, I just try it here. Okay, here. Protection your eye and your glove and your ear if you need it. Okay, I recommend you need to get the eye. Sometimes the concrete will go to your eye. It's very dangerous. Okay, ready? This is not really heavy. I think about 55 pounds, not really. Okay, easy. When you put it, your body is normal. Okay, that's how I feel. Okay, let me do it. Make sure. Okay. Wow, it's good. Okay, try. Right about over here. Okay. Okay, when you break the concrete, don't do in the middle, do on the side first. Let everything go on the side. It's very easy to break it. Yeah. See, here, and over here. You see this one break it too? Here, okay. This right here, see how good is it? Okay, let me try another bigger, more than 2 feet. Okay, let me try another side. Make sure it's good for you. Okay, let me move another side. You see that one, I think about around 2 feet. Let's see how strong this hammer jack. Okay, this only 2,300. Let's see, right, stuck right here. I see. Go up here. Let's see how it's good. Try this. Wow. Okay. Good. It's stuck in the wood. Okay. Okay. Move this. I don't want to put everything. Let me move on this side. I want to break this. Here. Right here. Okay, and this side. Okay, how about next? Right, it's stuck here. I don't want to put all the way down. Okay, like this. Oh, I dropped my microphone. Oh, still okay, just forget it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. See, I break half of. See, this is giant right here. Okay, look at it. It's so heavy. Look at this. Okay. If you don't have a hammer jack, how come you break all this stuff? I need to break it and let the guy he dig it. He dig about 35-40 feet and 6 feet deep and about 19 feet wide, and after that I can put the bolt in. I can share with you. Okay, that's all I say. Okay, if you want to get the hammer jack, you know, I never know about this hammer jack because one of my customer, he introduced me because he say he use about more than 10 years, no problem. Then, you guys see, this one take me around 5 minutes, 4.5 minutes to 5 minutes. Look like this. See, this is a giant concrete. See, I build here, I break everything. I need to build my pond a little bit bigger. You see, done. Next one. Okay, right here, look it, I put right here. And after that, I will call the guy, he dig it. I will put the dirt all the way right here. Okay, next one is right here. This one around more than 3 feet. You see all the concrete here? I need to dig it more than 3 feet. I don't know how long it is. I will let you know. Yeah. Only the hammer jack can help me do a little bit faster. All right. Now we can move everything down here. Okay, next one, we'll dig this one. I will break it Maybe take me about few hours. I don't know. Okay, let's see. All right, guys. This take me almost one day to finish to break all the concrete. I thought it's a few hours, but wrong. It's almost a day to break. You see how big is it? See right here. So terrible because when I do a concrete, I do about almost 5 feet tall, around 8 feet wide. That's why it make me almost a day to break it. Thank you for the hammer jack. Without the hammer jack, I cannot do anything. I called the guy, he charged me almost $1,000 to break the concrete. I said, forget it. I will do it. After I do it, the guy will come to dig it. All right. And this hammer jack cost me about 2,300. Plus, if you buy extra tip, it's cost you about 200 more than 200 plus tax. Okay. All right. Enjoy. I go back to my work. Dạ con xin phép dừng đề tài này đây. Con thì ăn nói không có trôi chảy cho lắm, nhiều khi mất lòng mọi người. Nếu có điều gì sơ sót xin mọi người rộng lượng tha thứ bỏ qua cho. Ngàn lời cảm tạ. Nếu ai chưa có thời gian nhấn cử đăng ký hoặc là subscribe đó màu đỏ, nhấn chuyển sang màu đen đồng nghĩa là các bạn đã ủng hộ mình rồi. Xin cảm ơn, tạm biệt và hẹn gặp lại các video kế tiếp. Thank you all my customer support. Thank you all my friends to support me. Okay. All right. Good luck. Bye bye. See you. Bye.